Big up Crosses TV.
That is TV with the blood clot and the family and me I look for you. Batman that do certain things, a man Batman do. So because a man Batman do and a woman sent for a man is dead last night and Blandy. I saw me see Jessica. You saw me see Jessica run a fly kicks up. The first thing come to my mind, I see him saw when Peach is dead. Girl, when Peach is dead, I saw me see Jessica fly kicking at the video. And Jessica have a one same whitish color ear like. And there's a blood clot. I know that the orange ear should have a the yellowish ear like. And the orange, a yellowish ear like. And me I say, when me I look at it, me I say, Jesus Christ, look how Emily could have just drop a gun and dead. And if you realize, the boy when you're puppy, you see that little child, when you're puppy, shouldn't have no fear in her.
How that child, Peppers?
Cause son look the child from Black Data and Emily are fight. The child run from back way and the child at the Emily. When me still think a thump, she a thump Emily in her back alone, tap the girl tap Emily in her back.
Which child that?
The child when and Papi one black child, the child run from back way and when Black Data and Emily are fight. And I said the child run from back way and me I tell her say, I think I thump Emily again. Me never know say I stab them, say so thump look like she get a stab. Pebbles you get blood black. Get away. You have to get black. Suck your mother. You can't see back the live here. Wait till you get Sean.
Sean, you see Emily, sometimes when the girl them talk to her, she don't listen. She love things that she have her own way. Girl, sometimes you have to listen to your friend them. When your friend them talk to you, girl, you have to listen. I when we are big people, once your friend them talk to you, you have to listen to them. Sometimes, everywhere you're for there, and everything you're for inner.
Because like when me your club, like me say what Emily do. Like, girl.
Everywhere there and everything you're in us, you have to put your act together, you get older.
Blandy, listen.
You know me.
Blandy, mama blood clot to this. You know me, Sean know me. Them those are others who want to me a mascot, who want to this say blood clot that, but me know me know. And Blandy, me I tell you this summer art girl, I see me say that. You see what year when Emily them and Aishana them and the girls them in the war girl, I get my blood clot, see girl, cause at the end of the day, girl, nobody now gonna make nobody do certain things to them, girl. And a girl, I swear for my life, Blandy, I get my same. And Blandy,
and look here,
talk to Emily, I'm talk to Shensia. Wait on Blandy, Shania be my witness. I talk to Sean, I talk to Emily, I'm talk to Shensia. Me and Shensia about 1 hour conversation. I'm talk to Emily. And the things them. Me talk to them as my friend girl, and the things them, the girls them maybe feel one different type of way. Me and the girls them now, me and them are always friend and the things them, but the girls them decide for do them want the girl. Sometimes you have to say, we can do certain things, but you have to know say there's a time and place for everything. You know, one thing we don't like with the girls them, and this as a bad girl, you have to know this. You have to pick your blood clot war. You have to pick your war. You have to struggle.
Some of the war them not here. Sometimes you want to
Pepper.
You have to pick your as a bad girl. You have to pick your war. You have to pick your war and pick your struggles. In a real blood clot, like I'm gonna ask God that.
Pepper, look at Sana. Emily now come out when the girl them. Remember me, you, Kara, and the girl them used to Mace and them something that before Mace girl war with Mace. So Emily now come out them time they know
But
The girl them
facts,
know
Blandy,
squeeze
facts,
them eye
listen.
when them get
She don't
missed.
come out when the girl them a do that. But guess what? You know what the great thing? She come up like Emily come out in the last part when the girl them a that spray
Exactly.
acid. The girl them a rap man. So Emily come out and Emily adapt to a we did that though. So Emily come out and Emily even get turbulent and the
Yeah.
things that when that to not understand and she not fear nothing. But guess what, girl? What Emily not understand say when you're a warrior, you have to war with strategy or whatever I want blood clot name. And you have to street smart when you're a war. And you have to pick your blood
Not
And look
clot
at
war.
Sean.
You
realize
can't just war,
Emily
war,
good and
war, 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 stuff. You have to
Papi
pick your blood clot
Sean.
maybe
war.
she think I
And
shy.
the girl them have to know so when you have mace no use for one somebody. You use
Girl, cause
mace
at the
in a
end of the day,
crowd, upon crowd
backlash,
a girl.
what I always explain to Sean here, what I always explain to my friend them, everybody when you talk about war
Exactly.
blondie, everybody war different. You have some girl that go want fling backlash stone. Me can't fling backlash stone blondie, but me don't know for war like that. I remember me, my body fragile. I remember me take the arm on them, the girl I'm gonna fling me down the ground. The first thing I go come to my mind, me I go want to tell a girl, and me I go buy one
Yeah.
battery, I burn up a girl. Everybody war with different intention. You get to me, I say, blondie?
Yeah.
And it's that the girls them don't understand. So when girls are war, every girl war different. And when you are war, you go war with different intention. And as a girl war, when me a war,
Uh,
blind them like
That's
see
a
blood.
fact. But like when me and one girl I want you
I
trap me, I'ma
know
trap
that
you
cause my
back.
out and a fax me attack. When me a war, I feel some for see blood. So at the end of the day, girl, it is what it is. I'm a beg Emily, I'm a beg Shensi, I'm a beg Sean, I'm a beg the girls them so just girl, me the girls them just live girl, cause at the end of the day we don't come America for this. And the things
Same
them, but it is
like
what it
how
is,
me when
girl.
me a want me would
I don't
most of a
know.
fling be a back.
Careful.
Yeah. I'm a no miss.
Yes, I'm connect girl.
Peppers know that so other to the girl them not see me in action. Me not afraid of them. This is just a confusing fight. You understand, Sean?
But
What you
last
pick
night,
up with nobody.
my sorry
Like,
could it never go
what
better.
me
My sorry never
is,
go
What
and this
you
better.
not
can't pick
Last
up with
like me
night,
not say
nobody.
me perfect, but like there was other elderly people out there that where even if them on one side, no friend them on next side of
Nobody not gonna sit
are them
down.
everybody have
that's
like there's
true.
not
That's
everybody
how
about to man
back to back.
one
I
here.
when me and
There
Emily
are
never
people that
talk.
sit down.
I when
All
me and the
right.
girls never
Take
talk last
Jessica
night.
out of this. All right. Listen up.
Sean,
Take Jessica
me
out
did it
of this.
last night.
Take two boys
I when me
out of this.
Blandy and it's that me like. As much as I'm a liquor, as much as I'm a liquor, once me start with my mouth, I start screaming, I
All right,
start
China,
going back
listen
to
up.
back the
All
girls
right,
them, I
take
go look
Jessica
out.
out of this. Happy.
Me could
And take the
have
two
stopped
boys
that last time. Look how much
who
big
come with
girl did it last night. All blood clot back to back. They say Aliyah. And it's that me I got talk. I'm in a response now because of that me want to talk about. You see blood clot Aliyah. You see them like rejoice. And you see blood clot Aliyah. For sure, hold on upon black daughter, granddaughter, and child. Tell the girl them for done and hold on upon Emily. I know she didn't talk. She a ball out.
no, but
Radam!
rather before
Radam! Dead! She like, listen up. Aliyah like text it from
When I
people
like
and she
that
need
for
to stop
true.
that. And she need to stop what I say. She need to stop what I say. She's an iron. And nobody can do her nothing.
well,
And
this
stop what
man
I
went
say
to
her
step
mouth
on
too
the
much.
line when
And
me
she
there
love
was
pressure people.
exactly.
And member say, rain a fall for one man, oh stop. And you can't rejoice over one blood clot man don't fall. I always remember that. That's why me, Pebbles, about 10 years to 11, 14 years my old. Me have to stay far from Batman. Me not like Batman. Yeah, there's very few Batman on me blood clot like. Yeah, and that God. There's very few Batman on me like.
Look
Me not
here,
like
Sean,
Batman.
at
I
that
have to
time I
stay far
stay
from
far
Batman.
from them.
As the me say, you know much of them people here, Sean, have them picture in my picture in them phone. Them for see something happen for post up RIP. Me not like
I said,
Batman. Look how
I
much
listen,
big
I said,
girl did
get
the
well
last night.
soon.
You know much
Them
people did the
want you
last night could
them
have
want
stopped the
all right.
fight. You know much boy did it. You know much boy did it. How much
Yeah,
Batman did it could have stopped the fight.
how they could
But
have
every
even
girl
pass
quick forgot about them
done
phone
like
because of
just come with
Emily. Because of
that's why you
Emily
say
and Emily love
time me
war. And Emily this
yes
and
because
Emily
nobody
that
have video
and
me and
this.
laugh. and me I will kill somebody because they're on four more by the end of the day. Why me don't really push out with them batty money? Because it's true me the string to my mother heart, and if nothing wrong with me, she go dead, and my brother and sister them I go eat me for make them love mother dead, where them love my real mother, we are mother dead, them I go eat me and I want to come visit me.
Area,
So that's why I'm gonna look back.
area, you did rejoice.
Some of them batty money we say them a fight and them
Take care.
remove, come on for this. Me never blood clot.
No, me never say
you
rejoice,
more than me top. Now that you me a
yeah, so they're
comment me I just
like no people.
I never rejoice when Batman get locked up. Me always talk so the only thing that me know wish not y'all. I forget blood clot lock up because me a thief, so I could have wished Batman
nobody could have wished
me a thief for the only thing that me never wish y'all. Remember say me go jail and me go prison. And that 2 years I spend in prison, so I know them something that's so
bad.
A wicked people wish prison and death for people. Anybody here wish that
more than at the end of the day, Blandy, right, wrong, and me don't know how no feel blind, but the truth. See me call Aliyah ball out death, she could have passed, and and I'm sorry, the pepper spray never choke her blood clots. But I call pepper spray. She like pressure girl. I should like rejoice over girl don't for that big back batty boy. Yeah, with no blood clot apology.
Not to blood. Because look here,
Pebbles,
much as me and the raccoon woman a friend. Pebbles, look here.
More than me attack me session. Emily is wrong,
yeah,
and sometimes if a
situation
and stay outside.
Let me tell you.
But at the end of the day, she never back down, and she war, and she defend herself, and she stand up and
but there are four more.
Look here, Sean, and Pebbles.
I'm glad they're going to call you again when the live is finished.
Wait a minute, Pebbles.
But that's why she got urge to say it. If I like Trina, none of them would have said nothing. Them that way, but remember say, a reason make sure I go one, you know, she go one proof bank. Remember, that's what
blood clot. Listen to Sean, cause you are waiting there. Remember tell you this. Emily and blood clot Cara always in a drama, can you see? And it's that's why I mean I like Batman. And it's that's why I take one boy when father Jamaican and his mother Dominican. So him speak, him don't know nobody. Listen to me. You see the boys, them girl, you see the Batman them, and it's that's why that happened last night. Because the girls are insecure over them man. And what you would do to a girl, what you would do, you know a girl are gonna do to you. So see because Cara them know what them would do. So from them hear the man outside, them are gonna get active. Cara and Black that have Emily have and going to be Emily just feels sad Cara in a words with Shanna.
So that's why Emily wrong to say.
So the girls them what the internet now know. The girls them the girl listen to have Shani say the girls them at it and the girls them have one ongoing beef.
Nobody else.
Cara is going to think different.
Trina, listen now, stick up. If Emily and Cara did good and Cara come out of Angla, man, you know Emily that start anger the boy with Cara and I say, you can't put my friend. But not true, they're not friends and they have an unfinished ongoing beef. And Emily has said the boy her son. That's why Emily I got the paramount. Which in way she wrong, but if I didn't nobody else, she would have the paramount. But she and Cara have something, so that's why.
But look here now, Pebbles, Sean, look here.
But at the end of the day, that's how I'm telling you, girl. That's how I'm telling you, it's all come down to the boys. Cause watch this now. Watch this now. Them have an ongoing beef and the two boys them get it. Why the two boys? Why the boy never say, yo mother, yo Cara, my mother. Yo Cara, my mother, what I tell you? My mother and Cara, I can't come from mother, I can't come party with my mother.
Let me tell you, if I me, Pebbles, put yourself in a Cara shoes. Listen to this. Your man just left your house, you drop him off and fumble them. Bop you there one party, you see a man in another party, you wanna upset?
Yeah.
Mother mad.
Yeah, right.
So me,
watch this.
Cara not think right, Cara mad and focus on my just leave
if you tell me say Blandy say, If you tell me stuff for drop your family, and when I look me say they are batty party, I mean know about that. Me's going to feel a way, but just guess what me I gotta tell you say it all come down to this. The boy
That's why
them
I can't
don't
bother with them
loyal and from
boy
the boy
them.
them come America them see the bright light. The boy them the light all of you have to blame the boy, you ain't gonna blame you
Look here
can't
now,
blame
that's
Emily, you
why I
have to
can't
blame the
bother with them
boy.
boy
Cause the
that
boy
was
should
feel
have
like
boy,
say
text you
them
and
to
say,
have too
Kyra,
much
here what?
friend.
Here, mama. Here, we are Brandy. Here, what Kyra, me I got rich with Emily. Here, what Kyra, me I got rich with my dog, them,
and
but
from there,
far,
Some
but
money
she
say
can't
Emily,
listen.
and Emily would
The
have
fact
money
of
for
the
go with.
matter is,
no, me say if
what?
him the even tell Cara that no Cara that no. So when Cara see him, Cara would have the urge to say, all right, we are there. So maybe the problem would go on.
What you had the right, yes, sir. So at the end of the day, you cannot blame nobody. You have to blame a man, girl, because at the end of the day, him should have called you and say, yo, mama, me I got chill with my